Hey guys, Jess here. Just wanted to wish you a happy AMT Day, let you know how valued you are at the company and how we appreciate everything you do on a daily basis.
I think the big thing is we had great strides in the last year on reliability for our aircraft maintenance. We have just outdone what I have ever thought was possible. I can't take credit for it because it's the guys out there that are working, the guys that work nights, the guys that work lines, that work all those different areas are just doing a tremendous job.
The frontline guys, the maintenance controllers, see those numbers when Bill puts them out there to everybody, and that drives them a little bit to do better.
And this is not month to date, this is year to date, so we're doing well for 2020. I couldn't be prouder.
You have to be proud of what they're doing. Day in, day out, night, day, good weather, bad weather, it all still happens.
I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be more proud of the guys. They're very experienced. They work great together as a team.
Mechanics that work overnight, work tirelessly overnight to make sure those planes are ready to go.
It's been a really busy year in maintenance, especially in Albany with getting that base up and running. I feel like it really has a strong core right now.
A base will call another base and say, hey, you may have had this airplane before, or have you had this problem before? And there's a lot of communication that goes on at nighttime. It isn't just during my meetings or during the meetings that we have, but there's a lot that goes on at night and day to ask about, ways of solving problems with the aircraft. We're getting a lot of modifications done that we're gonna take us years to complete. And this is really helping our reliability now.
It's made my job a lot easier trying to manage through this uncertain time, to know that, my guys are still coming in every night and making it happen.
Stores is a critical part of the maintenance team. It very much behind the scenes, even more so. That's our stores folks doing that.
And they should be proud, because I'm proud to be part of this department that has seen great gains in the last year, and I appreciate each and every one of them, from maintenance control to the people that clean the airplanes. It's everybody in between, because we all have to work together to make it work.
The entire maintenance department, all 500 plus of you, do an incredible job supporting our company. You are truly the backbone.
Thank you, maintenance department, for everything that you do. Your work does not go unnoticed.